Imagine waking up every morning, stepping onto the scale, and feeling that familiar wave of frustration. Another pound that refuses to disappear. You've tried dieting, counting calories, even intense workouts, yet nothing seems to work. You're not alone. Millions face this exact struggle, believing every tip they read online, every celebrity diet, every fitness trend, yet their bodies resist. Today, we're diving deep into still not losing weight. 10 lies everyone believes about fat loss, revealing the secrets the mainstream diet world won't tell you. By the end, you'll see why your efforts haven't paid off and how to finally regain control of your metabolism, energy, and confidence. Let's start with lie number 1. All calories are equal. For decades, people have been taught that fat loss is a simple math problem. Calories in versus calories out. But your body isn't a calculator, it's a complex system reacting to hormones, nutrients, and lifestyle. 100 calories of sugary soda triggers insulin spikes and fat storage, while 100 calories of lean protein fuels muscle growth and suppresses cravings. Eating quality nutrient-dense foods transforms your metabolism, stabilizes energy, and reduces hunger. Think of it as fueling a high-performance car. Cheap fuel will never get you the results you want, no matter how much you pour in. Lie number 2. Exercise alone will make you lose fat. The gym is not a magic bullet. Many believe that daily workouts guarantee weight loss, but without proper nutrition, sleep, and stress management, results will be minimal. In fact, overtraining increases cortisol, a stress hormone that encourages fat retention, especially around the abdomen. Fat loss isn't about punishing your body with endless hours of cardio. It's a holistic approach combining diet, recovery, and smart exercise. Imagine planting seeds in barren soil. No amount of water will make them grow. The same applies to your body. Exercise alone isn't enough. Lie number 3. Carbs are the enemy. Cutting carbs is a widespread misconception. While refined carbs can hinder fat loss, complex carbohydrates provide energy, support brain function, and maintain hormonal balance. Foods like oats, quinoa, fruits, and sweet potatoes fuel workouts and increase satiety. Misunderstanding carbs leads many to replace them with unhealthy fats or processed proteins, which slows metabolism and triggers cravings. The key is not avoiding carbs, but knowing which ones nourish your body and which ones sabotage your progress. Lie number 4. You can spot reduce fat. Crunches for belly fat, leg lifts for thighs. Sounds familiar? Unfortunately, fat loss isn't targeted. Genetics and hormones determine where fat is stored and lost. Focus on overall fat reduction through combined strength training, cardio, and nutrition, rather than wasting energy on endless spot exercises. Accepting this truth liberates you to use your time efficiently and see meaningful results across your whole body. Lie number 5. Skipping meals helps you lose weight. Many skip breakfast or lunch to cut calories, believing it will accelerate fat loss. In reality, prolonged undereating signals your body to store fat, slows metabolism, and increases cravings. Intermittent fasting can work, but only if structured properly. Your body thrives on consistent, nutrient-rich fuel. Skipping meals without planning is like sabotaging your own progress. Lie number 6. Fat makes you fat. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil, fatty fish are essential for hormones, brain function, and satiety. Avoiding all fats can lead to nutrient deficiencies and uncontrolled cravings. However, trans fats and industrial seed oils do promote fat storage and inflammation. Understanding which fats are beneficial is essential for sustainable fat loss and overall health. Lie number 7. Supplements are the shortcut. Fat-burning pills, teas, and powders flood the market, promising effortless results. But no supplement can replace evidence-based habits, quality nutrition, proper exercise, sufficient sleep, and stress management. Relying on supplements alone wastes money and time while delaying true results. Real transformation comes from consistent, sustainable strategies. Lie number 8. You must exercise every day. Recovery is part of fat loss. Overtraining stresses the body, increases cortisol, and slows metabolism. Strategic rest allows muscles to repair, hormones to balance, and fat to burn more effectively. Think of your body as a battery. You need recharging periods to function optimally. Proper rest isn't laziness. It's a critical part of your transformation. Lie number 9. Weight loss is linear. Many expect daily progress, but fat loss fluctuates due to water retention, hormones, and lifestyle factors. Obsessing over the scale leads to frustration. Focus on non-scale victories: better sleep, energy, body composition, and confidence. Understanding that progress is non-linear keeps motivation high and stress low. Lie number 10. One diet works for everyone. There's no universal diet. Genetics, lifestyle, stress, and preferences affect results. Blindly following celebrity diets or trends often leads to failure. Sustainable fat loss comes from personalized plans, built around your body, lifestyle, and goals, not what's trending online. So, how do you apply this knowledge? Start by questioning what you've believed about fat loss. Focus on whole nutrient-dense foods. Establish a consistent workout routine, prioritize sleep, manage stress, and track progress beyond the scale. Avoid fads and quick fixes, they rarely work long-term. Implement small, actionable changes daily, and over time, you'll reclaim control over your metabolism and health. Imagine looking in the mirror a few months from now and seeing real, lasting results. Clothes fit better, energy levels soar, confidence grows, and the frustration that once dominated your life is gone. That vision isn't a fantasy, it's attainable with the right knowledge and consistent action. If you found this video insightful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share in the comments which fat loss myth shocked you most and which strategy you most excited to implement. Your journey could inspire someone else stuck in the same struggle.